Look at his face. Logan's like, y'all ain't gonna help me?
Logan said,
I'm getting beat up by my cousin. That's Shay and Justin.
That is.
Shay beating Justin up. He's like, Skylar, help me. Bear, you better not take that. You better get him. Logan. Logan, you gotta handle yourself, boys.
Logan, get up. I know. Logan's like, you know what?
He's like, let me get back up. Hold on a minute.
I know. That's funny. Hey, where are you going? Turn around. Baby. I know, right?
He might pull that off.
And then you can't, like, you see him do like this to him, and he tries to move your hand to his mouth and go,
Look at his face. Look at Logan's face.
I wonder what Susie knew.
Say, Mama, help me.
You're right, boy.
Oh, you beating your cousin up?
Don't talk about it.
So I don't want to talk about it.
He's beating me up. He don't want to talk about it.
You don't like him no more?
Oh, Bear. You gonna take that? Oh.